Welcome to Oikos by Nife. Today, I'm excited to demonstrate how easy it is to deploy applications from our Marketplace app. To get started, simply navigate to the sidebar and click on Marketplace. Here, you'll find a wide range of applications, with new applications being constantly updated. For this demonstration, let's deploy the Nginx application. Just hover over the Nginx app and click Deploy. Now Nginx is deploying in default location. Once the application is successfully deployed, it takes approximately 90 seconds for the DNS to resolve. Be patient during this short waiting period. After waiting, click on Open Link. Here you can see that Nginx has been successfully deployed and is up and running. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at hello@nife.io.